So I'm going to try and ping from Paris client, ping the London client, and London client's IP address is 10.10.0.101, and it's not pinging. Okay, that's good, because we need to do some routing. Go to London router, and I already installed remote and routing access. So click on that, start configuring it. As you see at the moment it's not configured. So I have to right click, say configure and enable routing. Click next. Early on I said that for the routing you need this custom configuration. Click next. I want to do LAN routing. And finish. We'll do the same configuration on Paris router. So I'll go to Paris router. So tools, routing and remote access. Right click here, configure, next, custom configuration, next, and LAN routing. Finish. Oh, it just says that Windows firewall needs to be disabled. Ports need to be open. So finish. Yeah, start that series. If I go to the London router, it's already done. Okay, here under general, the same place. What we have here is tools, then routing and remote access. Expand that, and then the IPv4 we have general. In general, we have to right click and say new routing protocol. On the RIS routing protocol, we have to say RIP version 2. That routing protocol, okay. And we have RIP installed. Now RIP, I can right click and say properties. See that if there's any security we can configure here. But if I right click and say new interface, that's the interface I'm going to send my updates to. So interface, choose. It's not going to be this because there's not any other router on this interface. So the internet. And then periodic updates mode, we can use this every 30 seconds. Outgoing packets protocol version 2, and incoming packets version 1 and version 2. We can use only version 2s. Leave it to default. Security, if we want authentication or accept from what neighbors we can accept the routes, what neighbors, where you're gonna multicast your updates, and the advanced you can configure like timers. Click OK. We have configured the routing. So if I did I configure internet? Okay. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna start sending updates on that interface, on that internet interface. Now we're gonna configure the same on the Paris router. See, if I refresh this in about 30 seconds, you'll see some response sent. So go to Paris router, on IPv4, add new routing protocol, which is RIP, and in the RIP app, a new interface, which is the internet. Click OK. OK. You see that it's already received one response, and it's going to start sending some responses. Now, to see the routing table, if I go to general, and on the internet, if I right click on the internet, and I say show IP routing table, I can say show TCP IP information, address translation, IP addresses. I want to see the routing table, so show IP routing table. Now you can see that Paris knows how to get the network 10.10.0.0 through this interface, and he's learned that through RIP. And if I see it on the London router, refresh this, I can see they sent 3 and it's received 1 response. Go to general on the internet, show IP routing table. I expand this, and you can see that it's learned a route through RIP on that interface as well. So it knows how to get to Paris. So if I go to the Paris client, earlier I couldn't ping the PC on the London. So if I repeat the command, now I can ping the London because it's got a routing table. Okay, thank you very much for watching. This has been Astrid Krasniqi showing you how to configure VPN and a RIP as a routing protocol. Thank you very much and bye bye. Thank you for staying. Long video. Bye.